Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make the iconic cards from Squid Game. First, gather your materials. You'll need red and blue cardstock, a ruler, a pencil, and either scissors or a craft knife. Don't forget some glue and your printed or hand-drawn shapes. We'll start by preparing the card bases for a clean finish. Now, let's get to cutting. Measure and cut your red and blue cardstock into rectangles, each measuring 3½ inches by 5 inches. Once cut, carefully fold each rectangle exactly in half. This creates your card base. Precision is key here, so take your time to ensure all edges line up perfectly for a crisp, clean fold. With your card bases ready, it's time to add the iconic symbols. Carefully cut out your printed or drawn circle, triangle, and square shapes. Apply a small, even amount of glue to the back of each shape. Then, with a steady hand, center and press each symbol firmly onto the front of your folded cards. Make sure they are straight and secure. To finalize your Squid Game cards, allow the glue to dry completely. This ensures the shapes are securely attached and won't peel off. Take a moment to review each card, checking for any smudges or misalignments, and make any minor adjustments if needed. Your cards are now ready for your own game. Also, for other great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.